Hey guys!
Hi!
We're missing Thomas today, but we have his trusty pencil. And we got a box.
Ta-da!
A humongous box, you guys. We don't know what's inside.
I haven't seen it.
Well,
I haven't either.
seen it, but I mean, it's something from YouTube.
We hit 1 million viewers.
We're actually at 1,084,000, something like that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Don't you guys love it? Just kidding. Kidding.
Whoa!
It's so big.
Wow.
All right. You guys want to see this, right? It's really beautiful. They give you this when you get a million followers,
Very
subscribers.
nice.
It's a very big play button, and I think we really deserve it. So
Oh,
thank you
Thomas.
guys so much for subscribing and watching and being fans. And tell Thomas that you miss him in this video because I'm sure he'll really appreciate it. Thanks again, you guys.
Thank you.